Alright, good morning viewers. I'm Mr. Otemu teaching you on YouTube. I encourage you who have not yet subscribed to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Man's Success. So let's talk about longitude and latitude. Now, what are longitude? These are imaginary lines that run from the North Pole to the South Pole of the Earth. Let us make it like this. This is the Earth, and here is the North Pole. Here is the South Pole. Here is the East, and here is the West. This is the equator, and the equator is 0 degrees. So longitude are lines that run from the north to the south, and they are measured in degrees. They are measured in degrees. While latitude are lines that run from the east to the west. Look at this is the North Pole. This is the South Pole. This is the east, and here is the west. This is the equator and is 0 degrees. This is the equator and 0 degrees. So line of latitude run from the east. This is to the north, to the east. All these are lines of latitude. While this is to the south, all these are lines of latitude, and they are measured in degrees. So let's talk about angular difference. Angular difference, or you can call it angular distance. Let us calculate the angular difference of the angle. Now, angular difference. Let us take if P is latitude 68 degree north, 32 degree west, and Q is equal to 20 degree north and 32 degree west. You can get your angular difference either in the latitude or longitude, depending on the question. So now, let us draw now. Let's draw now. Here is north. Here is south. Here is east. Here is west. And here is the equator. Now when you look at it, the latitude there is 68 degrees north. So if you come here, this is 68 degrees north. And the longitude is 32 degrees west. It's coming to this place, which is 32 degrees west. The longitude of Q, this is P. The longitude of Q is 20 degrees north. So that will come down. Here is 20 degrees north. And the latitude is 20 degrees north, the longitude is 32 degrees west. So both of them have it. So this is Q. So this is the equator. I will draw from the equator to Q and from the equator to P. This is the angular distance. So therefore, angular distance, which is theta, in physics, we say like pole attract or like pole repel. I'm applying it. in longitude. Now, if you look at here, the longitude is 32 degrees. 32 degrees, they are both west. If I now say 32 minus 32 is 0. So don't get the angular distance 0. Because they have the same longitude, I don't go. I will get my angular distance from the latitude. Here is 68 degrees north. Here is 20 degrees north. So north, you subtract, which is 20 degrees north. When you now subtract 68 minus 20 is 48 degrees. So the angular difference in the first question number 1 is 48 degrees. Let's look at number 2. It has then given F to be latitude 62 degrees north, comma, longitude 38 degrees west, and Q is equal to latitude 62 degrees north and 47 degrees east. Okay, let's draw it on the Earth surface. Let us draw it on the Earth surface. When you now draw, yes, your North Pole, yes, South Pole, yes, your East, and here is your West. And I said, this is the equator. That is the equator. Now, the latitude is 62 degrees north. It comes to the north. 62 degrees north. And the longitude is 38 degrees west. It's coming to the west. 38 degrees west. Where it means this is our Earth. Why is the other one? Although we have the same longitude. So the latitude, the same latitude, but the longitude here is 47 degrees east. It's coming to the east. Here is 47 degrees east. So both of them have the same longitude. I will not demarcate it like this. So I will drop, here is F and Q. So I will drop it from here to here and from here to here. This is our angular distance. So therefore, angular distance here, these are different longitudes. So you will add west, east, you add. This will be west, west, you subtract. East, east, you subtract. West, east, you add. Which is now 38 degrees plus 47 degrees. So 7 plus 8 is 5. 7, 85 degrees. 38 plus 47, here is 5, is 85. So our angular, with this angular distance, we now use to calculate real question.